Hello, and welcome to VS News Desk. I'm Anna Summersett, and here's a look at legal news making headlines for March 11th, 2021. Two Tarrant County jailers have been indicted after authorities said they lied at least 20 times about checking on an inmate before he was found dead in June. Jailers Eric Gay and Darian Kirk are now facing the charge of tampering with a government record, a state jail felony punishable by 6 months to 2 years in the state jail and up to a $10,000 fine. The Star-Telegram has been following issues in the Tarrant County Jail extensively for the past year. The paper reported that Tarrant County Sheriff Bill Wayborn requested that Gay and Kirk be investigated after inmate Javante Myers was found dead in his cell. The Texas Rangers took over the investigation, and the Star-Telegram obtained their investigative report this week. Myers was booked into the Tarrant County Jail on 2 misdemeanor charges of possession of a controlled substance and criminal trespass. The Texas Rangers investigation indicated that jailers knew Myers suffered from seizures, a bipolar disorder, a brain condition, and respiratory complications. Due to these complications, Myers was placed in a medical cell, where it's required that jailers check on inmates every 20 minutes. It's also required that jailers keep a digital log to record the start and finish of every check. Tragically for Myers, the required checks weren't conducted properly, and he died in his cell of a seizure. Kirk and Gay later admitted to investigators that they falsified checks on Myers and other inmates. The Star-Telegram reported that both have since resigned. Myers was one of 17 people who died while in custody at the Tarrant County Jail in 2020. The Sheriff's Department has come under fire due to the high number of inmate deaths and even lost its state certification for 6 days last summer. Many of the inmates who died were in jail for misdemeanor offenses, and some suffered from mental illness and homelessness, petty crimes, carrying a death sentence. New bond restrictions and decreased case resolutions resulting from the pandemic could have also contributed to inmates spending more time in custody than necessary, exposing them to a similar fate. Lauren King with the Tarrant County Homeless Coalition was quoted in the Star-Telegram stating, "A focus for 2021 will be creating a connection with the criminal justice system and figuring out how do we catch people who go back and forth between the jail and a shelter." According to the Star-Telegram, last year, Bexar County District Attorney's Office announced they would not prosecute homeless people for criminal trespass unless they also had a violent history. When the Star-Telegram asked how Tarrant County Criminal District Attorney's Office would handle similar matters, Sharon Wilson responded, "Homeless people who commit crimes are prosecuted in Tarrant County," but went on to explain that her office is working to divert low-level, nonviolent offenders out of the jail and into treatment. That's it for VS News Desk, the place you turn to for the latest legal news. For more information, be sure to read the VS News Desk blog on our website, versus-texas.com. Still have questions? Comment below. I'm Anna Summersett, and thanks for joining us.